Hi, this is Rich Bucola here in New York City, and on behalf of Expert Village, today I'm going to show you how to make some garlic bread. Okay, just as an added note with the garlic, again, see it cools off a little bit. After it cools, it really comes out that easy. Just wanted to show you. What I do is I actually save it. I save it in a little Tupperware, and what I like to do is just get it all out. You see it comes out easy. And what it's nice to do is just, you put it like this. You could mush it up a little bit. Put it on a cover. Save it in your refrigerator if you need it for like a paste or something. Just some added garlic. You could throw it in your pan. It's really, it's nice to have, and you can actually heat it up right in your microwave, and it's as good as the day you made it. And it tastes amazing. That's what makes this bread so good. And I know it seems like a difficult thing to do, but you're going to really enjoy this with the roasted garlic. Alright, what you could do is, with this extra, you can put it on bagel crisp, take some old Italian bread, cut it into little slices, actually toast them in the oven with some olive oil, and it becomes a nice little snack, just something extra. You make a lot of it, it's very cheap and very good. It's very addicting. Make sure everyone eats it though, this way you don't have that garlic bread. That's an old thing about garlic too. If everyone eats garlic, you won't have it on your breath, or you won't smell it. You will, but no one will know it. So, and it's very healthy for you too, so roast some garlic.